everyone, welcome to Sugi Cooks. In this video, I'm going to share how to prepare Suzhiyam, a very traditional sweet which are prepared on festive occasions, especially for Diwali. This is prepared with Chana Dal and Jaggery filling and coated with a crisp outer layer. This is very delicious and one of my very favorite Diwali sweet dish. To prepare this, we need to prepare Chana Dal Filling and Urad Dal Batter. First, to prepare Chana Dal Jaggery balls, take 1 cup Chana Dal. Wash and soak in 1 cup of water for 1 hour. Add the Chana Dal in pressure cooker along with the soaked water. Pressure cook for 3 whistles in high flame. Open after all the air is released. The Chana Dal is well cooked. It should have a powdery texture when pressed with fingers. Drain all the water and spread in a clean towel. Dry for 10 minutes. Then transfer them to a blender. And grind coarse, just giving couple of pulses. Take the powdered Chana Dal in a mixing bowl. Add powdered jaggery. If you are using unpowdered jaggery, first melt and cook the jaggery until thick and then add the powdered Chana Dal. Now add the cardamom powder and mix. The warmth of the hands will help combine the Chana Dal and jaggery. Transfer them to a saucepan and cook in medium flame, mixing constantly for 5 minutes until the mixture is thickened. Transfer the mixture to a bowl and spread to cool. Now make required size of tight balls from the mixture. The Chana Dal filling is now ready. To prepare batter for outer layer, take half cup urad dal. Wash and soak in half cup water for 1 hour. Add soaked dal in a blender along with the soaked water. Grind to a thick batter. Transfer to a mixing bowl. In another small bowl, mix 2 teaspoons rice flour and 2 teaspoons all-purpose flour with little water. Make a thick smooth paste. Add the prepared paste to the urad dal batter along with 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and baking soda. Add extra water if required and mix well. Now both the filling and batter is ready. In a white pan, add required oil to deep fry. Coat the Chana Dal balls evenly with the batter. And deep fry. Delicious Suyyam is now ready. It has a soft sweet filling inside and a crisp outside. With any leftover batter, we can prepare spicy Kara Vadai. Add required amount of grated ginger, chilli powder, hing, salt and curry leaves. Mix well. deep fry in hot oil. The spicy Kara Vadai is also ready. Enjoy making these sweet and spicy vada for Diwali. Thanks for watching my video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my future video updates. See you very soon in another interesting recipe. Until then, happy cooking and stay healthy.